Hello and welcome to Megawatt. Each week we give you the lowdown on the latest piece of kit from the world of technology and gadgets, plus a cornucopia of news, reviews, tips, tricks, opinions, and much more. Well, today we've come to the to the Tigers of Tomorrow event, where we're going to see the tech of the future that you just can't buy in the shops right now. Stay tuned. So you have a cat, you have a cat flap, and you have the age-old problem of other cats getting into your house to eat your cat's food or just piss up your curtains, for example. What's the solution? Well, one Cambridge-based company called SureFlap thinks they have the solution at hand, which is an RFID-enabled cat flap. Basically, what happens is you get your cat microchips, normally in the back, so we've got a little microchip here, as you can see. And using that technology and a receiver in the cat flap, it knows when your cat has walked nearby to let him and not other cats in. Now this runs up to 32 cats individually, in case for your crazy old cat ladies, and we're going to show you how it works. So you get your little cat, he walks along, he comes up close, it unlocks, he can nudge his way through, and if we take the cat away, the system locks automatically. Now, I then can't get in because I don't have a chip in my hand, and it's great. Now, when the cat comes back, it will just unlock, and he'll be able to go away on his merry way. Costing around £80, they're available for order from your local vets, and that's the SureFlap microchip cat flap. So you know when you type something into Google and it doesn't really understand what you're talking about? Well, one Cambridge-based company is hoping to change that with their search engine called True Knowledge. The idea is it's context-based, so you can ask it a question and it will give you a response. Now, the website is currently in private beta, so it won't be available publicly until 2009. However, they have got some of it working and it does work. So we're going to type in a question. Who is current Prime Minister of the UK? And let's see if it can tell us. So it's told us that the current Prime Minister is Gordon Brown. Now, we obviously knew that, but if we didn't, it would be quite helpful. What's also helpful is that underneath it tells you the Google searches that you would have got if it hasn't answered the question or if you just want more information. And in this case, it would have told us to go to a Yahoo address, which tells us probably the same information, proving that this technology will help. Now, the great thing is that you can either go to the public site itself when it launches, as we said, in 2009, or possibly you'll see this on big search engines anyway, as there's an API version, and that's True Knowledge. So this is the Axon, an eco-friendly car with an incredibly sparse dashboard, but that's not the exciting thing about it. What is exciting is, okay, it comes in orange, is that it does 100 miles to the gallon and is made from carbon fibre. Pretty light stuff. The idea is the carbon fibre chassis gives it incredible lightweight, and the petrol engine, I know we said it was eco, the 500cc engine gives you 100 miles to the gallon. All very exciting. The downside, however, is that it's not going into production until 2010. So, how does it work? What do we do?
Okay, Stuart. Well, download a free application from the Moviestorm site, open it up, and here's where we are right now on the first screen you're going to see. So any new user, Stuart, gets presented with a series of very simple choices. They're pre-built sets, so they will basically be your first movie, the very first time you open it. So we're going to pick a little comedy club, and here it is.
Okay.
And then we'll just walk through to the next stage. And while we're walking through, it'll give you some clues and hints as to other stuff you can do once you've mastered the basic techniques. So we can pick a cast member.
Okay.
From a list of characters. Just scroll through, and each one is has many layers of customization afterwards: hair, clothing, and posture, and so on. But we won't bother with that right now.
Okay.
So I've picked myself a character here, and he's going to appear. He's called Mark. This is Mark, and he's going to appear on stage. And here's Mark appearing actually outside a shop now.
Looking mean.
Yeah, looking very mean, and we can change his emotion. And he will say whatever we want him to say. So we'll say, "Hello, my name is Mark." Hello, my name is Mark. So he now says his line. We can type in a script for him if we prefer. Okay. And Mark will then appear in his own movie.
In a pre-built scene.
In a pre-built scene, introducing himself, acting, taking the emotion that we gave him in the clothes that we gave him, and saying the lines. Hello, my name is Mark, that we gave him.
Cool. So we've made our video, a very simple one at that. I'm sure you can do lots of great things with it. What do we do now? How do we share that with everybody?
Once we've rendered it, and I'll render it now for YouTube, and once that's rendered, we have the magic button at the bottom of the screen, post to YouTube.
Okay.
And at the same time that you post it to YouTube, you can watch it on this computer or upload it to Movie Storm, in which case we'll create a little advertising page for you with your director's information, a bit of history, how you made the movie, and so on. So we encourage you to do it, and upload to YouTube. So that's it, shared, and good luck, and we hope loads of people comment on it and feedback and work with you on your next movie when you can start to unlock some of the more advanced features in Movie Storm and work with your friends to make something a bit bigger. And
so does it work on PC and Mac?
Yep, this is the Mac version here. There's a PC version. It runs on pretty well any machine that you'll run games on, and that's our target for the moment. So it's fairly hardware robust at the minute.
And it's free, and you can download it from Movie Storm?
It's free, and you download it from moviestorm.net.
Excellent. David, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Well, that's it for this week. Hope you've enjoyed the show. Why don't you tune in next time for more news, reviews, tips, tricks, opinions, and much more. This is Megawatt TV. I'm Stuart Miles. Thanks for watching.